Hey boys and girls, we have been talking about blending syllables. So today on the screen you see all of your names. We're going to go through each one of those names and clap out the syllables. So I want you to help me. Our first name is Everly. So let's clap. Everly. Raylan. Raylan. Caden. Caden. Kaylee. Kaylee. Natalie. Natalie. Kinley, Kinley, Madison, Madison, Jaden, Jaden, Jeremiah, Jeremiah, Savor, Savor, Levi, Levi, Isaac, Isaac, Juan, Juan, Messiah, Messiah, Kenneth, Kenneth, Olivia, Olivia, Peyton, Peyton. So clapping out syllables with your name, practice with the names of the people in your family. Have fun.